Fixing bad kidneys is usually a matter of diet and lifestyle changes. Mostly, that means making food choices that provide the right amounts of protein, calories, vitamins, and minerals each day. A healthy diet, along with staying physically active and taking medicines prescribed by your doctor, are all important to repairing damaged kidneys. Kidneys can often repair themselves naturally if you eat more of the following foods. These are especially good for improving kidney function: apples, blueberries, kale and spinach, certain kinds of fish such as salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring, and sardines, which are rich in healthy omega-3 fatty acids. As for foods that can be bad for kidney health or damage kidneys even further, the following are among the most dangerous: fried foods, dark-colored carbonated soda, canned foods, processed meats, snacks like pretzels, chips, and crackers, packaged, instant, and pre-made meals, which are often heavily processed and thus contain a lot of sodium. Too much sodium is especially bad for kidneys. Be careful with herbs and supplements. Talk to your doctor about which are likely to help repair bad kidneys and regenerate kidney health, and which are likely to cause problems or damage. The goal of this video has been to provide quick, basic answers to the question, how do you fix bad kidneys? See the description section for links to more videos about fixing kidney problems and maintaining good kidney health. And be sure to subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified as new videos are created in the future.